Assalamualaikum. On today's video, I'm gonna be showing how can you connect an opto-coupler with an Arduino, as well as how can you connect a relay with the opto-coupler. So let's get started. This is the opto-coupler PC817. This is very common. See carefully. This is anode and this is cathode for the opto-coupler, and this is the phototransistor. See very carefully, this part is completely isolated with this part, so if any harm happened here, then nothing will affect in this side. So this is very useful for preventing damage, and it acts like a NPN transistor. PC817, it needs 1.2 volt to 1.3 volt, and it needs very low current, that is 20 milliampere. It is a very little amount of current. So let's see how it works. Ground, and let's say this is our 5 volt power, 5 volt. As this opto-coupler needs 1.2 to 1.3 volt, so we have to drop some voltage, otherwise it will damage. This is our resistor. I'm giving value to 35. How I get this value? Later on I'll try to make you clear how can you get this value. So now I'll take LED. This is our LED. We need another power, ground, and power. I'm taking 5 volt as well. I'll use a resistor. As I was telling, this is like a NPN transistor. So emitter, this is the input and this is the output. Okay, now let's play it. You see the LED is 1, so I think the opto-coupler is working good. And one thing I want to show you, that is I have to take a DC voltmeter. This is it. You see, after using this resistor, we are getting 1.22 volt. This is correct for the opto-coupler, so the voltage drop is absolutely okay. And now I'll show you how can you use relay with the opto-coupler. So this is the relay. Here is 12 volt and 5 volt. Okay, we can change the value. I'm giving here 5 volt. And so from this output I am giving here, as this is a coil, so I hope you know no polarity needs here. So okay, and this is the positive volt and must use a freewheel diode in reverse. Okay, I think it should work now. Okay, I'm playing. Yes, you see the actuator is working fine. Now reconnect a LED with the relay. So we will get negative from here, and also need a resistor. What's the wrong? Oh, I did a very big mistake. That is reverse polarity. I connected with the reverse. Now it should work. Yes, it is working. Now I'll show you how can you connect with an Arduino. From Arduino's output we will give input in PC817 opto-coupler, so I don't need this Arduino Nano. I think it's okay for simulation. Pin number 10 and as ground. It's not looking good. Now I need to write a sketch Arduino. Sorry. Yes. I'm taking example basics blink. Okay. With which pin I have connected? That was 10. So using pin number 10 as output 10. Done compilation, no error, but I need a binary, compiled binary. Copy all the code and taking a new PC817. Okay, Now I think export compiled binary. Okay, the binary should be exported there, and PC817. This is the hex file. You see, according to Arduino's output, the opto-coupler is also working according to the output, and it is activating a relay, and the relay is controlling the LED. You can use a heavy output through this relay. One thing we have missed here, that is, we should use a transistor before the relay, as the opto-coupler's output current is very low. So we can use a transistor here. As output we getting negative volt, so we have to use here a PNP transistor, and here I like to use PC817 transistor. So we need a resistor. We can give here 1.2k. You see, now this is working fine. We have to use a pull-up resistor in base of the transistor so that it cannot take any false trigger. So I'm taking another resistor. Sorry. This was 2.2. Okay. And I love to give here 4.7k, but you can change the pull-up resistor's value according to your needs. I hope you like my video. Take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.